How to make your storyline unique for IGCSE narrative writing. 3 exam titles explored. Have you ever sat in an exam staring at the title and nothing comes to mind? Today, I'll show you how to make any storyline unique, even under pressure. We'll break down 3 common titles. The Moon, I Was So Focused, and An Important Responsibility, and I'll give you tricks to make them stand out. Let's get started. Title 1, The Moon. 1. Change the perspective. Instead of a typical human viewpoint, change who tells the story. The moon's perspective. I have watched Earth for centuries, but tonight something changed. A wolf's perspective. The full moon called me. My body obeyed before my mind could resist. A lost astronaut's perspective. I was supposed to return home, but now the moon is my prison. Quick exercise. Rewrite this sentence from a unique perspective. The moon rose above the hills. 2. Twist a common idea. What if the moon wasn't just a light in the sky? What if it had a secret? Instead of a peaceful moon, it controls people's emotions. Instead of a normal full moon, it disappears one night, never to return. Instead of a moon landing, astronauts discover it's not a rock, it's alive. Mini story idea. A girl whispers her dreams to the moon every night. One evening, it whispers back. 3. Use an unusual time or setting. The last night on Earth, the moon glows red, signaling the world's final day. A future where the moon is gone, children think it's a myth. Ancient civilizations fear. The villagers believe the moon is a god, and one night it disappears. Quick exercise. What happens if the moon only appears once every 100 years? 4. Mix 2 genres. Sci-fi's horror. A lunar base receives a distress signal from beneath the surface. Fantasy romance. A girl writes letters to the moon, and one night it writes back. Adventures mystery. A secret map only becomes visible under moonlight. Challenge. Mix 2 genres and create a moon-related idea. 5. Focus on a small emotional moment. A child believes the moon is their imaginary friend. A soldier writes a letter home under moonlight. A lost traveler follows the moon to find their way back. Mini story idea. A young girl loses her father. Every night, she tells the moon about her day, believing he's up there listening. Title 2, I Was So Focused. 1. Change the perspective. A camera's perspective. I capture every detail, sharp, precise, but I cannot feel what they do. An athlete's perspective. One shot, one chance. I block out everything except the goal. A scientist's perspective. The formula had to be right. I was too focused to hear the alarm. Quick exercise. Write this sentence from a unique perspective. I was so focused I didn't notice the time passing. 2. Twist a common idea. Instead of studying for an exam, they are memorizing a secret code to escape. Instead of a sports competition, it's a deadly game where losing isn't an option. Instead of playing a musical instrument, the character is performing their last song before losing their hearing. Mini story idea. A student is so focused on their exam that they don't notice the school is being evacuated. 3. Use an unusual time or setting. During an escape mission, a hacker breaks into a government database, too focused to hear footsteps behind them. In the future, people can download knowledge instantly, but one student refuses, determined to learn the old way. In a fantasy world, a wizard is so focused on casting a spell, they don't notice the darkness creeping in. Quick exercise. Where could someone be so focused they miss something important? Change the perspective. A guide dog's perspective. I must not fail. My human depends on me. A child's perspective. They say I'm too young, but I have no choice. A ghost's perspective. I have one job, protect the living from what's beyond. Twist a common idea. Instead of babysitting, they're watching over something not human. Instead of a school prefect, they're the guardian of a hidden world. Instead of a firefighter saving lives, they must choose who to save. Mini story idea. A boy is given an old key and told, never open this door. He must guard it, but one night someone knocks from the other side. Use an unusual time or setting. A war zone. A young medic faces a choice, who to save first. A spaceship mission. The pilot holds the fate of the entire crew in their hands. A mythical world. A child is chosen to carry the last flame of the gods. Let's recap. You can make any story unique by changing the perspective. Who tells the story? Twisting a common idea. Flip expectations. Using an unusual time or setting. Shift the context. Mixing two genres. Blend storytelling styles. Focusing on a small emotional moment. Sometimes less is more. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, which technique will you try? What's your most unique story idea? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative writing tips. See you next time.